Yo, 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 yo.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Along with Ray Ferraro, who's down at ice level, my name is James Cybulski from way up here high, set to bring you all the action. Ray, how special is it to don the colors of your country?
I got to do it 4 times, James. Some of the most proud moments of my career.
And we are about set to drop the puck on this one. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. This has been one we've been waiting for a while, and it's time to finally see what the payoff is all about. Backhander stones him in front.
He's on it. Good chance, but he's able to glove that shot.
Krejci's won the draw deep in the defensive zone. Backstrom's got control of the puck in the corner. And now he moves it quickly to Carlson. On the wraparound. Dishes it to Voracek. Nice pass. Takes the feed. And he slides it quickly to Krejci. Team Sweden's got the puck against the boards. Now it makes a save. Cool and calm under pressure. And it's a quick pass to Pasternak. Sweden's got it into the offensive zone. And he slides it quickly to Backstrom. Shot right in front. Fantastic save. Czech Republic's got the puck along the boards. Team Czech Republic's got the puck along the wall. Pass right in front. In front, and a stoppage on the play as the goaltender covers things up.
Mrazek's able to make the save, as we see here. This is a good scoring chance, but he's in good position.
Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. With the stop. Zibanejad stick handling in his own zone. Moves it to Zibanejad. And now he moves it quickly to Ekman-Larsson. Back to the blue line. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Move to the middle. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Drives it to the front of the net. He scores! Will this is the sign of things to come?
Well, I hope so. I love goals, James. This one is quick, and it's already on the board.
80s hockey, here we go.
James, what a goal here. The guys on the bench beside me jumped up onto their feet as he pulled the goaltender out of position. He buries it. What a beauty.
Czech Republic's made their way back to center ice here, and they've got that 1-0 lead.
The road is a funny place to play. You can't really be too aggressive, but when you get an early lead, James, you can open it up a little bit.
Makes his presence known on the ice. And now he moves it to Kasha. Saka's got it in the offensive zone. Moves the puck along the half wall. Centered out in front. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Scores!
Hard to get him much quicker than that. A pair of goals in 40 seconds.
That sure changes things here on the ice.
Yeah, the game has completely been turned upside down. A quick flick of the wrist, and that snapshot beats the goaltender. He's in the low slot. He doesn't have much time to think about it.
Lots of time left in this period. Team Czech Republic's got a 2-goal lead. They'd love to build on it. Puck is dropped and play resumes. And they'll dump it in. Team Sweden's got the puck along the wall. Big time hit in the open ice.
Yeah, they're going to try and set the tone of this game by using the body. There's a good solid hit early in the game.
I need to take another look at that.
I thought there was room to get by. Clearly, I was wrong. I'm glad I don't have to take the hit he just took.
While the setters are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Over the line they come, and he slides it quickly to Silverberg. Faxa's got the puck, and a stick in the lane ends that threat. Oh, great read!
Team Czech Republic's in another close game. One of the reasons is positionally they're in the right place at the right time to intercept pucks.
Quick pass across to Silverberg. Receives the pass. A big-time double G. Great glove.
We often talk about a goalie's reflexes. You've got to have quick hands to make a glove stop like that. Oh, that's a good look from the guys in the truck there. Look how he lines them up, times it perfectly, and throws his shoulder right through him.
Plenty of playing time left in this frame. 2-0 is where we sit. Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. Moves it quickly over to Faxa. Along the half wall with the puck. Works it across to Landeskog. Pass stolen in the open ice. Quick feed to Polak. Frolik's got the puck along the wing. Now a quick pass to Faxa. Moves it around along the half wall. And makes the save. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Here they come on the attack. From against the wall into the open ice. Knocked away. Czech Republic's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Moves the puck up to Pedersen. Raquel's got it against the boards. Right in front of the net! And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Pasternak's got it along the wing. Sends the pass over. Here's a short pass to Kempny. Denies him. He got all of it. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Denied by the goaltender. Still a lot of time left in the period as we approach the midway mark. 2-0 is the score. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Slides the puck over. And it's a quick pass to Hedman. Great heads-up play by the defender. Palat swooping in on the attack. Sweden's got the puck. Quick pass to Carlson. And he slides it quickly to Forsberg. They've got numbers. To his teammate. Just wide.
They say it's a game of inches, James. If that puck is a couple of inches to the side, that hits the post and goes in.
He says, let's get physical on that play. Feeds it to Carlson. And now it's over to Backstrom. Team Czech Republic's got the puck in their own end. Takes the feed in the middle of the neutral zone. Can't keep a hold of the puck after that play. Into the offensive end now. Here's a shot. Comes up with the stop.
Team Sweden's trying to wear them down. They've been on the body since the first drop of the puck. Maybe it'll pay dividends later, but they're trailing in the game.
While the setters are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. On the attack along the boards. And now he moves it quickly to Eriksson. And that pass is stolen. And now it's grabbed by Zaka. Pass back to the point. And he slides it quickly to Gudas. To get it across to Zaka. Carries it in. Centering pass. Moves it to Klingberg. Point shot. Too high.
Nobody's going to be able to block that unless they're way off target like his shot was.
Off the left wing and into center. Saucer pass. Moves it quickly over to Krejci. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. And that one's turned away.
That is sweeping up the trash there. Good save. Off to the corner. Everybody can readjust.
Gets in front of it. Sends a pass over. Quick feed to Voracek. Carries it across the line. Sweden's got it from behind the net. Czech Republic's got the puck here in the open ice. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Here's a short pass to Polak. And that shot goes nowhere as the lane was filled. That's just Ted trying to shake loose. He's in all alone. What a save on the play. And as he opts to freeze the puck, we get a whistle.
Starting to look like a little bit of a fire drill in the zone, so this is a good play. He ran right through him on that hit. Lined him up, timed it perfectly.
Past the midway mark of the frame, James and Ray with you tonight. We've got a 2-0 game here tonight. Pedersen's won the face-off. Makes the save with the trapper. Team Sweden's had the scoring opportunities, but they still find themselves behind in the first. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Denied by the goaltender. Quick pass to Hansel. Directed over to Frolik. Sweden's looking to break out of their own end. Pedersen's lugging the puck. Stopped by the goaltender.
Yeah, he's right in front of the puck, too, so there's really nowhere that puck's going to squeak through.
Team Sweden still down here in the first despite the multiple scoring opportunities. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Denies him with the save. Handles the puck. Takes the feed at the back end. Taken by Ronick. Gaining momentum up along the side. Unleashes a cannon! Too much traffic in the lane. Landeskog's going to play it against the half wall. Quick shot. Misses the net.
Not going to be happy with this. He's got the opportunity to score. Doesn't register a shot on goal.
With possession along the wall. Strong defensive effort. Hedman's got it in the defensive end. They've got the defense outnumbered. What a steal in his own end.
To play a little bit while they're behind. They're trying to catch up. Try to make a play that's maybe not there.
And that's broken up with a stick in front. Kind of lost control for a second there, but regains possession. Puck picked up by Landeskog. Landeskog's got it across the line. Now a quick pass to Hedman. Here he is, wristed on net. Glove save.
Dangerous spot in the slot, and the goalie comes up big with the glove stop.
Sweden's down, but not out. They've had chances. They just haven't capitalized. Puck is dropped, and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Moves it to Carlson. Here's a chance right in the slot. Team Czech Republic's got control of it now from their own end. Battling for the puck, but still hangs on. Kasha's got it in the offensive zone. Throws one up to Eriksson. And they go back on the attack in the offensive zone. Back at the point, they set it up. And now he angles it across to Carlson. And that's blocked. Puck picked up in the open ice. Lugs the puck into the corner of the offensive zone. Centering pass. Puck grabbed by Gudas. With some momentum driving towards the net. Team Sweden's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Moves it quickly over to Eriksson. Here's a chance. Oh, denies him with the save on it. And he coughs it up with the pass. Nice defensive robbery on that. Here they are on the attack. Sends it over. Shot and a great save. Puck knocked close after that hit. Quick feed to Eriksson. Takes the pass. And it's a quick pass to Lindholm. Here's a shot with the stop. Great reflexes, another save.
After the first stop, he's in good position to make a second.
Here's a short pass to Gudas. And he slides it quickly to Krejci. Takes the feed. Here's an opportunity, and that one's stopped. Puck sent over to Nylander. First period nearly in the books here. Big save by the goaltender.
Ooh, you don't want to be on the receiving end of that. That is a freight train that went right over top of him.
Here in the late going to the frame, and it's a 2-0 hockey game. Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. Moves the puck. Moves the puck along the half wall. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Simek. Up along the wing. Out front. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Through center along the wing. Quick pass to Faksa. Along the half wall with the... Moves it to Faksa. Nice pass. Good hit on the play. Slides it across to Dahlin. There's the horn concluding the first 20 minutes. See a few fans already jumping the gun there, trying to beat some of the lineups in the concessions and the washrooms. 2-0 after 20 minutes of play as both teams make their way to the room.
Are you ready for your walk down memory lane?
And as both teams head to their respective rooms, 2 more periods still to come. We're looking forward to it here on EA Sports. Second period set to get underway. Here we go, middle frame now underway as the puck drops. Well, this one underway. Ray, give us an update on what your assessment is to this point.
Mrazek's been outstanding in this game so far. In the first period, he doesn't play like this, and this is a bigger spread in score.
Sweden's got the puck along the boards. Carlson's got the puck. Moves it over to Lindholm. Uses the force on that hit. And now he moves it quickly to Carlson. Puts it up front. Lets it go. Makes the save. There's the whistle stopping play. Penalty coming up here. Tripping is the call. Did he sell or is that the right one in your mind?
I think it's the right one. He looks like he's picking up speed and the stick gets into his feet.
Czech Republic sending their power play unit out for the first time tonight.
Key for any team on the power play is to get control of the puck first. So we'll look at the face-off, and this power play at the very least has to generate a little momentum. It's their first crack at it tonight.
Dumps it in, and leaves the comfort of his crease to play the puck. Moves it quickly over to Simek. Handles it along the blue line. Quick feed to Hansel. Glove save, and an easy one at that. Looking to convert on some of these chances. They've had plenty of opportunities, but have been snake-bitten thus far. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Easily turned away by the goaltender. We're still in the early stages of this period, and it's a comfortable 2-0 lead we're looking at right now. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Scores! Putting the power in power play.
Did just about everything right on that man advantage. They capitalized. Defender's trying to do his job. He's trying to be in the right spot. The only thing he is a deflection board as the puck bounces off him and goes in the net.
Czech Republic's back at center. What a performance to this point.
They've moved the puck so well that they've had the puck the whole night. Their opponents are chasing it around like a carrot on a stick.
Power play by number 20.
Takes the feed.
Assisted by number
Moves it around along the half wall. Puts it to the front of the net.
Martin Hansel. Time of the goal.
Getting a little too physical to maintain possession. The glove making it look easy on the play.
Great tracking. He finds them up, makes the save on a dangerous chance.
Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Here's a short pass to Verona. Gudas plays it against the boards. Quick pass to Klingberg. Nylander's gaining momentum. Here's a shot, denied by the blocker. Gudas works the puck in his own zone. Sends it deep inside the offensive zone. Moves it to Nylander. Knocked away. And now he moves it to Kasha. On the attack along the boards. He almost lost it for a second there, but regains control of the puck. Picked up along the wall by Zaka. Smart heads up, play to neutralize the threat. Levels him with the hit. Passes on over to Raquel. Rocked him along the wall.
Wow, did he finish that check off hard. He had him in the lights, and he didn't let him out.
Sweden's got the puck. Into the middle of the neutral zone. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. And now it's over to Carlson. Moves right to the middle. Here's a pass down low. And he slides it quickly to Lindholm. And now he tries to get it across to Pedersen. Czech Republic's got the puck in the defensive end. Moves it over to Kasha. Sweden's got the puck behind the net. Slides the puck to Nylander. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Here's a shot. Big chest save as he gobbled that one up with the trapper.
Raquel's not letting anybody off the hook. Straight up against the wall, and he throws a heavy hit.
Getting closer to the halfway point of this frame. 3-0 is the score. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Receives the pass. Moves it quickly over to Krejci. Slides it back to the blue line. Quick feed to Voracek. Takes a shot. Stopped by the goaltender. Backstrom's won it off the faceoff. Here's a short pass to Forsberg. Forsberg's got it into offensive territory. Forsberg's got it against the boards. Takes the shot. Stops the rocket of a shot. Backstrom's won the draw. And that shot gets caught in traffic. Gonna cover it up and get a whistle.
Even with the traffic starting to close in, he had to grab that when he did.
Hansel's won it in their own end. Frolik's got the puck in his own zone. Takes the feed at the point. Great chance in front. Hansel's going to play the puck behind the cage. Now a quick pass to Frolik. The lane was plugged up and that shot's blocked. And it's a quick pass to Forsberg. Sends the pass over. Team Czech Republic's got the puck along the wall. Team Sweden's got control of it now here in the offensive end. Great defensive effort breaking up the pass. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Hurdles got it along the wing. Shot! Shuts him down. Taken along the wall by Frolik. Sweden's got the puck now. Puck scooped up by Carlson. Heads deep inside the offensive zone. Lindholm slowed down with the hook, and the official's arm is in the air. Let's get the call here. Schimmick's going off for hooking.
Like every player in the history of the game, he doesn't like the call, but he's going to have to go serve his minor penalty.
Here's a first look at the power play.
I always felt on the power play that important for any team. If you stumble around on the first power play, guys start to press as you get more and more of them through the game.
Gets it out of his own end. Team Sweden's got a hold of it against the wall. Steen's carrying it ahead. Big time stop. Grabbed along the boards by Backlund. And the goalie covers up for the whistle. Sweden's been the busier team offensively with way more shots on goal, but they still trail in the second. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone and manages to clear the zone. Team Sweden's gained possession along the boards. Now he takes it over the line, sends it across. Too many bodies in the way. Stays with it, and that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Gets it out of his own end. Sweden's got a hold of it along the wall. A little banging and crashing now. He got all of that one. And now it's grabbed by Hansel. Here's a shot and makes the save. Forsberg's moving it ahead. Here's a shot. Nice save by the keeper to trap that puck to his chest.
Polak trying to brace himself. He knows the hit's coming, but man, does he get leveled.
More than half the period has gone by. Hope you're... And the ice has been tilted to this point. 3-0 is where we sit right now. And he slides it quickly to Eriksson. Oh, the glove save! Where'd that come from? Team Sweden's look good offensively to this point, but they continue to trail here in the second. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Moves the puck to Voracek. Takes the puck at the point. Puts it on net, and he comes up with it. Here's a chance behind the net, and that's picked off. Takes it across the blue line. Slides the puck over. Blocked in front. Passes it to Voracek. Intercepts the pass. This could be something. Snaps one on net. Gives them nothing in front.
High-quality chance, high-quality save.
Sweden's had a lot of good looks on net, but they continue to trail here in the second. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Centering pass, and a smart heads-up read to come up with the puck.
Really nice play, but that turnover shouldn't happen. They've got the lead, a little safer with the puck.
Mrazek's on top of the puck, and that'll stop the play.
Pretty conservative play here, James, as he covers it up to kill the play.
Team Sweden offensively with way more shots on goal, but they still trail in the second. Zibanejad's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Quick pass to Lindholm. From point-blank range, denies him! Takes the puck along the boards. Deflected away, nice defensive use of the stick there. Came up with a big stop on that last opportunity. James and Ray with you tonight. More than half the period has been played. 3-0 is where we sit. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Over the line they come. Moves it to Polak. Ahead of steam now towards the front. Can't get it to go. Taken by Kasha. Scooped up along the wall by Zibanejad. Zaka's got it near the point. Comes up with the steal. Tries to feed it over to Zibanejad. Feeds the puck over to Schimmick. Slides it on over to Lindholm. And now he moves it quickly to Nylander. Moves it quickly over to Carlson. from the opposite point. Steps into it. Oh, what a glove save. Sweden's look good offensively to this point, but they continue to trail here in the second. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Oh, what a save in front!
Mrazek's athleticism serves him well there. Excellent stop.
Tries to make a move and can't hang on to the puck.
Tic-tac, kaboom. The puck blows up off his stick. He's in a position to do something better with it than that.
Quick feed to Polak. Here's a chance. Here's the pass. Oh, he'll feel that one. Loose puck battle along the boards. Jabs the puck away. Here we go on the wraparound. And there's the save. Here they come on the attack. Takes a wrist shot. He scores! Big time moment for Rickard Rakell.
Now coaches talk about getting to the front of the net, make it difficult on the goalie, take his eyes away. Man, he only could see the players' butts in front of him. He can't even see the puck.
Team Sweden's answered back here in the late stages of the second.
They have to hope this goal signifies the point in the game where it turns. They haven't been very good up until this point.
Now he slides it up to Voracek. They've got numbers. Sends a pass over. Handles the puck at the point. Takes a shot. That goes off a twig. Pasternak's got it on the offense. Here's a short pass to Pasternak. And he whiffs on it. Sweden's got the puck along the boards. Silverberg's taking it from his own end. Lets one go. Oh, what a stop. Team Sweden's got the puck along the wall. Oh, they telegraphed the pass, and he picks it off. Pasternak's going to play it against the half wall. Quick pass to Pasternak. Stopped by the goaltender. Sweden's had plenty of good looks offensively, but they have been snake-bitten as they trail late in this second period. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Ronek's gliding the puck along the line. Comes up with the stop. Here in the late goings of the period, it's a two-goal lead we're looking at with the score 3-1. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Czech Republic's regained possession of the puck. Team Sweden's got control of it now from their own end. Puts it on net. Big time stop there. Team Czech Republic's got possession here in the offensive zone. Steps into all of that. Great positioning in the defensive end.
The offensive player with the lead, you got to be sure with the puck. You can't turn it over in that spot.
And he slides it quickly to Ekman Larsson. And he makes the save. Opportunity there.
Looking to be too perfect. Get it on the net. You've got a better chance to squeak one through the goaltender than if you miss it outside the net.
With possession along the wall. Sweden's looking to break out of their own end. They've got numbers. It's a 2-on-1. Answers the call with a big save. Again, the denial by the goaltender.
No time to take a breath. He made that first stop, and then the puck turns around on him again. Oh, sometimes you think you got lots of room to make a move. Not there. He got closed down and hammered. What a hit.
Team Sweden's had a lot of good looks offensively, but they have run into one hot goaltender, which is why they trail late in this second. And now he angles it across to Voracek. Voracek's got it in the offensive zone. Here's a chance. Fires the wrist shot with the stop. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Krejci. 18 seconds left. And makes the save.
Carlson's made this part of his game. He levels his opponent here.
Sweden's had their opportunities, but they still trail late in this second period. Hurdles won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. Denied by the goaltender. Handles the puck. You'll need more than that to beat him. Team Sweden's had plenty of good looks offensively, but they have been snake-bitten as they trail late in this second period. Horn sounds to end the second period. As we hit the second intermission, it's a 3-1 hockey game.
Every playoff game, our team store brings you our item of the game. Stay warm and stylish here at the rink with a scarf tonight priced at just $10. Make sure to stop off at any team store here at the arena. Pick up your specially priced item of the game.
The third period is just moments away, and both Ray and I will be ready to bring you all the action here on EA Sports. Welcome back, everyone. Both teams lined up at center ice, and we are ready to get this third period underway. Moment of truth for one team. Here we go. Third period is underway. 40 minutes into this one here, Razor. How do you see things?
Team Sweden's been a step slow almost all game. They haven't had the puck very much. They're losing. If that's going to change, they've got to get the puck and hold on to it much more.
Carlson swooping in on the attack. Moves it to Forsberg. Huge play in his own end to come up with the puck. Passes over to Krejci. Here's an odd man rush. Slides it across. Good defensive stop with the poke check. Moves the puck along the half wall. Czech Republic's got the puck in their own end. Gets the puck over to Pasternak. And he loses possession of the puck after trying to make one too many moves.
He's got good hands, but I think he overdoes it a bit here. Now he doesn't have the puck anymore.
Now a quick pass to Krejci. Blocker save. Sweden's got a hold of it against the wall. Tosses it to Carlson. Moves it quickly over to Backstrom. Shot comes up with the stop.
Pretty solid stop, and the puck goes into the corner to safety.
Ronix moving the puck through his own zone. Carries it in. Almost lost the puck, but hangs on here as play gets a shot. Quick feed to Raquel. Takes the pass. Here's a short pass to Carlson. Along the half wall with the puck. And now he moves it to Pettersson. Back to the point it goes. Centering pass. Stopped by the goaltender. Pokes it away to stay on the attack. Hurdles stick handling in his own zone. Palat's got the puck. Hammers the shot. Comes up with the stop. Right up the gut. Here they go. Looks to set up at the point now. Overshot it.
Sometimes the only place you have is up over the goalie's shoulder. Sometimes you airmail it.
Right on the doorstep. And that one's broken up. Takes the feed. Takes the return feed. They've got the defense outnumbered. Here's a shot, and that one's turned away.
He had to be on top of his game to make that stop. That's a great scoring chance, and he turns it aside.
Lots of hockey left to be played in this period. Been a pretty good offensive display, at least for one side. 3-1 is where we sit. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Quick pass over to Eriksson. Denies him with a save. Team Sweden's been the better team, but not necessarily boasting the better goaltender, trailing early in the third. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Denies him on the play.
Half of the goals in this league are scored from directly in front of the net. That doesn't happen with a save like this.
Gets it to the other point. And that's blocked. Nice defensive robbery with the stick. Carries it across the line. And it's a quick pass to Darlene. Takes that pass back at the point. Quick pass to Silverberg. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Tries to get the puck over to Frolik. And he slides it quickly to Hansel. Answers it with an even better save. What a great trying to gain a step. He's in all alone. Broken up from behind. Feeds the puck across to Palat. Moves it around along the half wall. Moves the puck. Great glove save. Nice pass. Backstrom's got it across the line. To his teammate. Here he is in front. Comes up with the stop. I think he got a blocker on that one.
In tight, he had to make an excellent save.
And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Passes it over to Hedman. Moves it to Carlson. Here they are on the attack. Tees off. Oh, he stopped that one. That was a fire.
We're going to back this up again and get another look at this stop the goalie makes. He makes a solid save on a really dangerous chance.
Sweden's failed to convert on scoring opportunities, and lots of them here in this third period. Puck picked up by Hedman. And too much traffic in front blocks that one. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Team Sweden's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Great defensive effort with the strip. We got a penalty coming up here as the officials blow the play dead. Boarding the call here, Ray. You like the call?
I do. A little vigorous on the hit. He followed through too much.
Another power play opportunity coming up here.
Hey, another power play for them. They've been successful tonight. I don't think they changed the script much here.
Can't keep a hold of it. Rips it from the blue line. And that's another power play marker.
The power play coach is going to be pumped here. They had done some extra work on the power play over the last 10 days or so. Really paying off tonight. Wasn't a whole lot of room here, James, but he gets beat just inside the goal post.
Goal-scoring abilities have been on full display so far this evening and here in the third.
Really impressive display. They've moved the puck well, skated, really forechecked. Well, there's really nothing they haven't done tonight.
Moves it quickly over to Carlson. Dished on over to Lindholm. Picked off in the open ice. On the attack along the boards. There's the physical side. And now it's over to Forsberg. Takes it across the blue line. Picks off the feed. Sweden's got the puck. Into the offensive zone. Quick feed to Kempny. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Here's a short pass to Backstrom. Looking to make something happen along the boards. And a great save. Here in the corner, he grabs the puck. Oh, set that hit up perfectly. Slides it to Saka. Here's a chance. Quick pass to Forsberg. Knocked away. Pedersen's got it into offensive territory. Czech Republic's got control of it now from their own end. Moves it to Voracek. Takes the feed. With possession along the wall. And now he moves it quickly to Kasha. And that one's broken up. Moves it quickly over to Raquel. Nylander's got it against the boards. And he slides it quickly to Raquel. Receives the pass. Handles a sweet feed. Quick feed to Darlene. That's blocked. Team Sweden's got control of it now here in the offensive end. Sends the pass over. Stopped by the blocker. Angles it over to Klingberg. Feeds it down low. Team Czech Republic's got the puck along the boards. Takes the feed after his goalie chooses not to cover up. Rocked on the play.
James, he is going to feel terrible tomorrow. He's been hit so many times tonight.
And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Dialed in on that stop. Slides the puck to Hurdle. Up along the wing. Now a quick pass to Kasha. Sweden's looking to break out of their own end. Dahlin's got it along the wing. And now he tries to get it across to Klingberg. Offside the call, and we'll have a face-off just outside the blue line.
Dahlin's able to get everything behind this hit. He really lays one on here.
Team Sweden's got to be frustrated with how things have played out tonight, trailing in this third period. Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. And now he angles it across to Palat. Puck moved over to Ekman Larsson. Slides the puck across to Landeskog. Lets it fly. Trapper save! Sweden's Achilles heel tonight has been finding offense as they trail here in the third. Offense's own face-off, and he wins the draw. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Slides the puck over. Hammers it on net. Big-time glove save. Team Sweden's failed to convert on scoring opportunities, and lots of them here in this third period. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Puts it just wide of the net. Here's a short pass to Zibanejad. Scores! On the rebound, he pots it!
Followed through to the net. He picks up this rebound, makes no mistake. Once the goalie leaves the puck in front of the net, the goalie's at your mercy, and he does not miss.
Sweden's narrowed the gap here in the third, but still a long way to go, Ray.
James, this is still way down the road to even this game up. But if you get one, maybe you get another. Maybe they get nervous.
Team Sweden's got it in the neutral zone. A chance in front, on the backhand, gets in front of it, takes a shot, denies him again, sends a pass over. Faxa's carrying it ahead, hammers the shot, scores!
Now what a tough break for the goaltender. This thing's just shoveled towards the net somehow. And as it's bouncing around, the goalie can't track it, can't keep his body in front of it. Now he's got to fish it out from behind him.
Czech Republic's having a lot of fun out there tonight, but Ray, I can imagine it's a different story on the other side of the bench.
Yeah, half the guys out here are having fun. The other half, this game can't end quick enough.
Scored by number 11, Martin.
Quick pass to Faxa.
Number 6, Michael Hampton.
Moves the puck along the half wall. Sweden's got a hold of it along the wall. Drills them. Moves it to Eriksson. Right in front. Big save. Another stop by the goaltender.
That's going to rattle your molars around there. That is an enormous hit that he took.
Late goings of this period. Team Czech Republic's really put the squeeze on here, now up by 3. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Team Sweden's trying to make something happen in the offensive zone and tries to make a diagonal pass to Carlson. Silverberg's going to play it against the half wall. Gudas moves the puck. Moves it quickly over to Frolik. Frolik's got it in the offensive zone. Czech Republic's got the puck along the wall. Over the line they come. Right out front. Backhander gets a stick on it to make the save.
No room for the shooter. The goaltender snuffed it out.
And that's broken up with a stick in front. Trying to lose the defender. Oh, and he missed the net.
Oh, you got to get it on the net. You got to test the goalie.
Along the half wall with the puck. Team Czech Republic's got the puck in their own end. Sends it over to Voracek. Here's a chance, a 2-on-1. Nice poke check inside the attacking zone. Into the offensive end now. Read it perfectly and breaks up the play. Quick feed to Verona. Here they come on the attack. They've got numbers. Sends it over. He scores! I believe a colleague of ours likes to call those back-to-back.
Yeah, the coaches want you to stay aggressive after you score. They do that, and they're able to put another one up on the board. Excellent puck movement on the odd man rush. They catch them short, and they make them pay.
Czech Republic's lamp-lighting performance continues here with another goal in the third.
They can walk home. They have dominated this third period. They've stretched the lead out into a really comfortable margin.
Can't maintain possession after that hit. Backstrom's got it on the offensive end. Back to the blue line. Turns it away. Save made by the goalie.
I like the way he tracks the puck here. He's got to find it, and then he gets his body right in front of it. That's a good save.
Feeds the puck up to Carlson. Carlson's got the puck. Through the offensive zone and behind the net now. Wrist shot from the slot. Denies it in front. Moved out in front. Big stop by the keeper. Puck grab by Hurdle. Inside of the final minute here in the third. Moves it around along the half wall. That's intercepted.
A risky play is not the right play now.
Hammers it. Makes the save with the glove.
Nobody wants to take a step back here. One team makes a hit, it seems like the other team's got to answer right away. It's been like that all game long.
Sweden's had more shots on goal, but yet they've run into a hot goalie, and they trail late in this third period. Puck is dropped, and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. On the attack along the boards. Pass right in front, and that one's broken up. Team Czech Republic's gained possession along the boards. Play is blown dead. We've got a penalty on the way. Hooking the call and maybe a little sell job along the way.
A little bit, but the player's got to move his feet. As soon as you stop, if it's even close, you're going to get down.
Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Puts it on net, and that one's broken up. Great block there. Team Sweden's running out of time. They need to find a goal here quickly as they trail late in the third. Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. Great defensive play to break it up. Wow, he got hit.
James, there's nowhere to go sometimes. You know you're going to get it. You just have to take the hit.
Feeds it over to Carlson. Here's a shot. Denied by the goaltender.
A defenseman loves this. The puck doesn't stay in front.
Oh, at the buzzer, a big save. And there's the final horn, bringing this one officially to an end. In one word to describe this one tonight, Ray, clinical.
I love the way they played. They skated well, they forechecked well, and when they earned their power plays, even with a comfortable lead, they capitalized. Their execution was outstanding.
For Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cybulski. Thanks for joining us tonight.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.